Welcome back, aerospace enthusiasts. Today I have some exciting news from the 8th Pak-Turk Industrial Expo Joint Working Group meeting held in Pakistan. This event, organized by the National Aerospace Science and Technology Park and the Defense Industries Secretariat, brought together 32 institutions from both countries. On the Turkish side, the delegation was led by Dr. Mehmet Demiroglu, the General Manager of Turkish Aerospace, also known as TUSAS. Joining him were representatives from Mealsoft, Cryptek, SDT, Aselsan and Havelsan. Representing Pakistan were 23 ability. If this deal goes through, it will be a significant leap for Pakistan's air defense capabilities. But that's not all. The meeting also delved into the design and co-production of a new helicopter. While the specific purpose of this helicopter hasn't been disclosed, the collaboration itself speaks volumes about the growing trust and strategic alignment between Turkey and Pakistan. Co-production means shared expertise, better resource utilization, and faster innovation cycles. These meetings have been a biannual event since 2019, alternating between Turkey and Pakistan. They signify a strong and evolving partnership focused on industrial and defense cooperation. The 8th meeting is a testament to the sustained effort both nations are investing in to bolster their aerospace capabilities. For those keeping track, this partnership isn't just about defense, it's about technological advancement, economic growth and regional. If you found this update insightful, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates on global aerospace developments.